I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Checking your account balance on Betterment is straightforward. Just follow these steps. Step 1. Open the Betterment app. Launch the Betterment app on your smartphone or tablet. If you don't have it installed, download it from the App Store or Google Play. Step 2. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 3. Navigate to the dashboard. Once logged in, you will be directed to your account dashboard. This is where you can see an overview of your investments and balances. Step 4. Locate your account balance. On the dashboard, look for the section labeled Account Balance. This will display your total balance across all your investments. Step 5. Review additional details. Tap on the account balance to see a breakdown of your investments, including individual account balances and performance. This can help you understand where your money is allocated. Remember, if you have multiple accounts, you may need to select each one to view its specific balance. Happy investing!